those are for a later date. This is what we're going to replace today. So a new cabin filter, because I have no idea if and when the cabin filter has ever been replaced in this thing. And we have 286,000 Ks on it. So a lot of those Ks that I've done in it has been a lot of dirt driving, a lot of mud driving. Going off the condition that the car was in that I bought it, probably a lot of rough miles as well by previous owners. So probably a good time to replace this, because you're supposed to replace these, I think it's something like every 30,000. Well, that's recommended anyway on the site. Today's video is brought to you by Sparesbox, not because they sponsor the channel, but that's just where I get a lot of my parts from. I'm not sponsored. But if anyone knows someone, I know a guy who's very broke and could use some discounted parts. Alright, so this, I'm going to open that so I've got a little bit more room. This is a pretty straightforward thing. You literally just need screwdrivers. So we're going to take out the glove box, find the filter, take out the filter, replace it, put it all back together, and enjoy some fresh air. So there's normally a clip there. That one's yeeted who knows how long ago. So I think there's about 8 different screws. So you got one there, there, and then just underneath as well. And then there's 2 in these bottom corners. And this whole thing should pop down. Alright, to get some stuff out of the way, there's a little clip here, so that's for your fan control. Unplug that, just tuck that out of the side. You can unplug this one as well, but I don't know if we'll need to. So this bit here, if we pop these tabs, that will expose, ugh. Oh my god, what the f? We do not want any of that dropping into the car. That's nasty. Blech. That's what we've been breathing in. So clean and white compared to whatever the heck happened to this. Like a $20 filter, how hard can it be to change it once in a while? God damn. All this, chuck it all back in, screw all your stuff back on, and that is a cheap and easy, once we line it up, little maintenance mod that you can do for your car. Alright, let's ooh. That feels like it's blowing a lot stronger than what it used to. I guess it does make sense that it was very, very blocked up. But that's coming out quite nicely. There's a bit of a fresher smell to it. I don't get what, like it looked like it had never been changed ever. But it's so easy to do. Like just change your filter. Gotta see what else I can do to this thing. I mean, there's plenty to do, but we're in lockdown and I'm broke. I can't afford anything.